What is going on YouTube? It's your buddy, everybody's buddy, Car Craftsman, coming to you with another video. And today, I really need a haircut. But other than that, I have a little problem on this panel that I want to paint, and I figured I'd bring you along and show you what I got here. Now, I ordered on the Wish app a dent pulling system that you do not have to use Bondo or filler or any kind of other techniques to hopefully pull out a dent paintlessly. Paintlessly means you can pull out something that's this small and not have to repaint the panel. Now in this case, I'm already doing this panel because of a little brush burn incident that they had right here. But I wanted to pull this dent here just to see how this stuff works, really. And yeah, figured you might want to see that too. So if you want to see the rest of the video, keep watching, like and subscribe for more content like this. And as always, thank you for watching. Now this kit came with 2 glue sticks like this here. It came with this puller. It's just a little slat puller like you would use to pull your studs when you're welding them to the panel. And it's fairly decent made. It's got a lot of slop to it, but it's a very simple little machine there, and that's how you use it. Now what you're supposed to do is take these glue tabs and adhere them to the panel, and then slide it into your puller there and pull the panel. Abby girl, I'm making a video here. Watch out. So that's what I plan to do. And this is a small dent here. It came with all these things. A lot of different sizes, a lot of different shapes, and yeah. Not quite sure how to use it. My buddy's a paintless dent repair guy, and he says they work great, so that's why I got it. Now this is the dent that I want to pop here. And let's see if I can't find it in a beam of light here. Right there. Going to put a little dime-sized one on that and see how it pulls. Now looking at the dent, it just looks like a little door ding crease, so I'm actually going to take this little thing here that might match the profile of the dent, and we're going to see how this works. I've already cleaned the panel off, and this should stick pretty well. I'm going to look for the center of the dent and just push it on there. Give that a couple seconds to cool down. Well, first try didn't work. I don't think my glue gun's heated up completely yet. Alright, let's try this again. Glue gun looks like it's fully warmed up now. Press that hard against the panel this time, see what that does. I'm going to give it a couple extra seconds to dry even. Not sure if that's what you want it to do or if I'm just doing it wrong. It definitely didn't feel like it was pulling on the panel at all. Tell you what though, that one little slide did do a little something for it. I'm gonna try that again. I'm gonna wait for it to dry again. All right, that was about 2 minutes, and let's see what we're doing now. Just seems to want to pull right off of the car. Not sure maybe if it's the glue, if it's the temperature that I'm putting it on at, but well, I'll tell you what, each one of them pulls, it's getting quite a bit better there. And I dare to say that I might have even over pulled that a little bit there. Let's get all this adhesive off and let's see what's going on. Now my Paintless Dent buddy uses isopropyl alcohol or some kind of alcohol to get this hot glue adhesive off of the paint. I got an alcohol based quick shine here, and we'll see if that works just as good. I think if you used Windex and a clean towel, I think you could get it off just as good. And yeah, the results are that I definitely pulled that dent. It's just in there just a little bit more, but let's see if I can't get you in on that. There it is, right there. Now it pulled quite a bit. It was a sharp crease, but I actually over pulled in a little bit in a couple of spots there. So I'm gonna give it one more try, and then I'm gonna try to hammer down those high spots. I'm even going to switch it up to a smaller head there, because I think I want to put it right on the center of that inward crease. Oh, my glue is nice and hot now. All right, I'm going to give that about a minute to dry, and we'll pull it one more time. All right, I think that's dry. Let's give it a pull. I wish the thing would stay on there a little bit better, but with each pull, this dent is getting quite a bit better. That dent's coming out with each pull. Try it again. Looks like that would suction cup to the panel really nice and like kind of pull on it like you would want to. Each one of them's got different shapes and different textures to it. It's pretty cool. That one looks like it would pull really hard. That one not so much. It might be like a finishing one. I really don't know. If somebody does, let me know in the comments. It doesn't look like it'll pull too hard. I think you would use that for something like a door ding, like a crease that would happen. That just looks like you would use it to pull a whole quarter panel. Glue's nice and dry. Ready for another pull. Oh, yes, yeah. Oh, I like that one. That one was where it was at. You could see the whole panel move on that one. You don't want to pull it too hard. I've been working with car metal for a while now, and I know how easily it does move. And with just the right pressure, you could make it do what you want. And that's what I wanted to accomplish there, and it looks like that's what happened. Now it looks like I over pulled. Let's find it here. There it is. You could see how that light beam squeezes in instead of pushes out. Now that means that I've got, and it goes past where I wanted it to go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to find something to tap that down and see how well we can't make that blend in to the rest of the panel. If you don't know what I'm talking about, it's here. See how that light moves? If it pinches, it's extended. It's higher than the rest. Now this is the next technique that I've seen the Paintless Dent guys use. They'll find a soft chisel type tool to try to knock down the high spots and blend that back into the rest of the area. So I actually just cut off a handle to one of the paintbrushes I was using that's already trash, and that's what I'm going to use. You want to use something that's of course not going to scratch the paint, no metal or anything like that. And you just want to get on here and knock down that high spot. And I'll tell you what, I already did it. I don't even think I want to go any further. Blend it out here just a little bit. That's seriously all the harder you want to hit on it. This panel will move with the slightest push. I could push on it with my thumb and probably create a dent. But you know what? I'm happy with those results. If I really wanted to get picky, I could go back over top of that with the glue one more time. You could see it just ever so slightly there. There's a little bit of adhesive that I got to get off of there too, but yeah, if I really wanted to get picky, I'd do it one more time. But yeah, I would call this thing a win. If you were looking to get some paintless dent repair stuff done and you think you can do it yourself, I would definitely pick this thing up on Wish or wherever you see it. I think it was only like $30, and hell, you could probably even charge a couple people to get some dents done themselves. So alright, I'm going to finish this car up and upload this video. So thanks for watching, subscribe for more, and Car Craftsman out.